Every other day vlogs, I told you guys I was gonna be on it. So in today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to the Nike outlet. I had a lot of plans today to do other things. I was gonna work on the Miata. I was also gonna go to the t-shirt place and start breaking down the things that I want to do for like Black Friday. I was gonna start working on the Nike jackets. I was gonna do all that stuff, right? And then Nike outlet sent me an email saying that the entire store is 30% off, right? So we already know that I went to the one in Deer Park and I got all those jackets. If you haven't watched that video, click right here. And then we went to the outlet in Woodbury, and they had even more jackets, but they were $100, which I kind of regret not buying at least a couple, because my average cost would have been like 50 bucks, you know what I mean? Which is still not bad for that jacket, as we saw. But I'm hoping that right now I'm gonna drive all the way to Riverhead, Long Island, which is like an hour and a half. And I'm hoping that they have at least something. If they don't have the jackets, they have hoodies, they have book bags, they have something to make it worthwhile, because that's really the only reason I'm going there. Like, I would hate to drive an hour right now and find nothing. So again, I figured I'd bring you guys along with the ride. Best case scenario, they have the jackets and they're not $100. If they're 50, great. If they're 70, better. You know what I mean? But just not $100. So that's what I'm hoping. Regardless, the entire store is 30% off. So if I get some cool hoodies like that all over Nike print, that's cool. If I can get some book bags, if I get something, because for December 13th, it's definitely going to be a Nike collection. Like, I already made up my mind. So I'm hoping that with that, I could get some more products that could just build on the collection and make it bigger and faster. So with that being said, let's make this hour and a half drive as easy as possible. Next clip you'll see is I'll be at the outlet. So I'm about 10 minutes away now. This is what New York starts to look like after you've been driving for an hour. I'm really hoping that they have the jackets there. If not, I would love to pick up some hoodies. I'm just hoping that this drive is worth it. I think besides Nike, I might hit up a couple other stores like Ralph Lauren and stuff like that. But the very first stop will be Nike. So I'll catch you guys in a second. There she is in all her glory right there. Please, Nike, don't do me dirty right now. About to park. Let's hope and pray that we find those jackets. And unlike Woodbury, let's not find them for $100. Damn, I should have took my Tesla. I could have parked right here. But all right, let's go inside Nike, see what we can find. All right, so we're officially inside. I'm looking at the sneakers right now. Really like these Prestos. I don't need more shoes, but really liking these. I think these are also a really dope shoe. I don't know much about them, but remember, everything is 30% off, so this is like a good $40 shoe right here. So what other shoes they got here? They got these Kyries. I think he's stocking them right now, but these are the slides I was talking about. I don't know anything about them, but they're like a weird, like, kind of sneaker in the front, because they're not open toe and they're bulky as hell. But like, they're like a weird flex. But 120, definitely passing on those. But all right, let's start looking for some WayBeforeTheFame stuff. All right, so I've been here for about like 10 minutes now, and I'm officially in panic mode. There's nothing that I'd buy. Like, there's nothing here that's like, you know, jumping out my face. They do have this hoodie. This is like the hoodie that like the NBA players wear, like Hoodie Mellow. This is like 20 bucks, but it's like extremely long. It's looking like an L. There's some things that I could buy, but again, it's like, it's expensive. Like, they have like basic hoodies like this that are 35 bucks, you know what I mean? So with the discount, it'll come off. But like, this isn't a fire hoodie. This is like, it's not even like a plain, you know what I mean? Like, it just isn't cool. Hoodies that I would buy, but they're gonna come out to be too much money in my opinion, are these. Like, this is a sick hoodie. This whole wall, honestly, but the yellow especially, like, it has that mustard color, that burgundy, that navy. I think I'm gonna buy a couple of these. They're $40, so they'll come out to 31 bucks with the 30% off. Actually, no, they'll be 28 bucks, which isn't terrible. So I'll probably get like a couple of those just so I don't leave here empty-handed. But I'm gonna continue to walk around and I'll show you guys what I buy in the next clip. Some more honorable mentions are these Nike hoodies. But again, 80 bucks, but it's cool. It has like this little Nike like patch right here, and then it has like that nice vintage feel to it. But once again, 80 bucks is kind of hard to profit off that, so I'm gonna have to pass. I wish these jackets were on sale. Look how fire it is. You got the huge Nike check on the back, Nike throughout the arm, and then Nike right there. This is like not a blank canvas, but a fire piece. Like, look how it looks in black. But these are 80 bucks. I was looking at this, but it's $25 and they only have size small, so like it's a point. That's like my worst size. Like, no one really buys a small on my site. So like I said, next clip you'll definitely see what I end up purchasing. So $234 later, I end up buying, I believe, 8 hoodies. Yeah, I think I got 8 hoodies. Basically it's just a, you know, your standard Nike hoodie with the small check. I'll show you guys right now. So I just got this. I already have some of these hoodies in red at home that I found at another outlet a long time ago. So I got small, medium, large, extra large, and navy. And then this, like I said, it's not a summer color, but I don't really care about fashion rules anyway. So I got this nice yellow, which I think is honestly going to be the quickest seller, to be honest. But that's pretty much it for this outlet. I'm hoping that when I get to Deer Park, they have some more things at Nike. Remember, the main thing I'm looking for is that, oh, I should have bought bags. I didn't really care about those bags. Those book bags were okay, 15 bucks. It would have been like $10, but they weren't really worth talking about, so I'm not going to get those. But I'm hoping that Deer Park, like I said, has some really good things there. If not, I might honestly delay my plan some more and go to Nike and Woodbury, because the outlet starts from now to December 1st. So if you're watching this video, head to one of your Nike outlets. You can get some steals on shoes and clothes if that's what you're into. But it's from now to December 1st. So I feel like if I go, you know, after Black Friday or even around Black Friday, I'm not going to find the good stuff. So I'm hoping to just get all of that done today and tomorrow. And then I'll just officially just hoard myself in the shop and not worry about going to any more outlets, because I'm done driving. Like, I'm really over it. So let's go to Deer Park and see what happens over there. So I've been driving for a while now. I'm about 10 minutes out, and I've been thinking kind of like, damn, like I really paid $30 for those hoodies. And it was kind of bending me out of shape. And then I realized, like, I had to go check my emails, and I paid $29 each for Champion reverse weave hoodies with no issue. Every season, you know what I mean? I'm like, yo, this is a great hoodie. And don't get me wrong, that hoodie is probably warmer, and I guess I'd say better material than, it's better material than the Nike hoodie. But that check is way more powerful than the little C. So I think at this next one at Deer Park, I'm probably gonna cash out and probably spend another $300 on, instead of getting one of each size, I might get, again, like another one of each size. So when it comes time to sell, I'll have 2 in every size. Because 30 really isn't bad, but the thing is that what I want to do is another expensive thing. Like, what I want to do is probably going to cost like 15 bucks. So I'm going to be $45 in every hoodie. And like, I just love selling things. Like, one of my issues with my brand, I'm going to be honest, is that I like to have things for the masses. And some things just aren't. Like, I love to sell shirts for $2, you know what I mean? So everybody can buy one. But this collection, this Nike collection, I'm going to let people know now. It's going to drop December 13th, by the way. It's just not going to be cheap. It's not going to be cheap, because not only am I risking my life, I'm fighting for my life right now, R. Kelly voice. Going to all these outlets, driving, wasting gas, wasting time, which is way more expensive than, you know, anything on earth. So the fact that I'm doing this, like, it's going to be a fire collection. I already know it is. I'm going to do a photo shoot. I'm going to do I'm going to make sure it's fire. In the next clip, you're definitely going to see me inside of the Deer Park Nike outlet. That's going to be literally the only store I'm going in. I'm not trying to chop it up and walk around like I did just now. So I'm gonna go there. Hopefully I could buy something. Hopefully they have the same hoodies too, because I'd be kind of annoyed if they don't have those same hoodies. But if they don't, actually we're not gonna put that juju out there. So see you guys in a second. We're gonna still go inside Nike, and hopefully they got some tings in there. All right, so I've been walking on Nike for a while. This one actually has a lot more inventory. They didn't have these green hoodies over there, so I'm gonna buy this color. They also have only one of these, but I really like this like crimson red. This crew neck also, bruh, absolutely flames. It's like that same color as the Supreme box little crew neck that they dropped 2 years ago. But I would really love to also buy the matching bottoms, but I'm not trying to go too broke right now. But I am gonna get a size run in green. Maybe do black as well. I feel like black is so basic though. I like to spice it up with colors. But I'm definitely spending at least like $300 to $400 right now. So let's go grab these hoodies and say RIP to my pockets. So come to find out, 90% of the hoodies over there are all 3X and 4X. they're not actually like size runs which I need. So what I'm gonna do is just buy these crew necks right here. That's how they look. Like I said, it's that cool like pinkish salmon color. I'm gonna buy a size run of those, and then just one black hoodie and one yellow hoodie just to have extras. But right now I have no issues buying these. These are only $35, so they're cheaper than the hoodies. So these should only come out to be like mid-20s, and I'm not complaining about that. So I'm gonna get out of Nike right now, and I'll show you guys more in the car. So I actually went to Nike and got some more things. I bought this book bag that I really much need for myself. It was only $9. I was gonna buy more, but this little graph line doesn't really go with the theme I'm gonna have, so I'm just gonna buy one for myself. I bought another navy crew neck, another navy hoodie just to have, a yellow hoodie just to have some more, and then I bought a black crew neck for myself that I'll probably just make a one of one out of. But I think that's pretty much it for today, at least. I kind of want to go to one more outlet, but I'm gonna see how I feel when I drive home. Right now, if it's a long drive from here to my house, I don't know, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. We'll see. You'll see in a couple seconds. If this video has more than 5 seconds left, then I went to another outlet. If it didn't, thanks for watching.